Yo, what's up, guys? We're for another YouTube video. So today we're gonna be catching peacock, or we're gonna try to catch peacock, tarpon, and snook and all that stuff. I'm gonna be fishing with my sister and my sister's boyfriend. So I'll see you guys there. Why? Ow, my butt. Holy crap, it's like hella windy today. Oh shoot, are you gonna like struggle getting down there? I struggle myself getting down there. I'm scared of slipping again. Remember when I slipped with you guys?
Yeah, I don't think you were really good.
I don't remember either. Do you see any fishies? Oh shoot. Oh look, it's dry. Perfect. So scared. It smells like a dead fish. What? Yeah, I smelled the dead fish. Is it actual peacock? Are you oh, it is a dead peacock. Oh, sucks. Oh look, oh my god. Holy shit. Hold up. Oh my god. Wait, stop, Carlos. Oh my god, there's a massive peacock right here. Watch this. It is, I'm pretty sure it is on. Yeah.
Fuck yeah. You got on video?
Yeah, I think so. Oh shoot! Damn, this one's strong. Carlos, can you grab him? Can you grab him? Don't like eat him though. You gotta like lip him.
Here, hold it.
Lip him. Let's go, bro.
Landed.
Was that do you see like the red thing on the top? Alright guys, we caught this nice little peacock. Pretty big actually. Let's get a release on him. Let's go, bro. Do I get him for you? Nice male, bro. Oh, there goes your shiner.
It's done.
Down how far? Like gut? Let me see. Oh, you're gonna have to cut that. You're gonna have to cut the line.
Oh! Give me the ankles. Quick.
Shit. Wait, don't release him though. Don't release him yet. We gotta get it. Nice. Hold on, let me throw my hands down there.
You got it on video?
Yeah, hold on. I don't have to cut it. Alright, wait. Alright, now show him video. Carlos caught this nice peacock. Gut hooked him, but it's okay. Let's get a release on him, Carlos.
We got another one.
Look, the monster's there.
Another one.
Wait. Hold it there. We're gonna double up.
We're gonna double up?
Record like this. Record. Yeah.
Whew!
Bro, I gotta start adding.
I gotta throw him, Carlita.
No, you don't. No. Let's go.
Let's go?
Yep.
Hey!
Double up.
Get him, boy. Here, hold that. I'm gonna lip him.
Don't unhook him first. Let's go! Yes, sir! Yes, sir. Alright, hold on. I'm gonna stop it. Alright, guys, we got this nice two peacock. We doubled up on peacock. Let's get a release on one of them. On both of them. Let's go, guys. Abby, caught this nice fish. I'm recording, Carlos. You can stop recording. Bring him in. Oh, he got a little. Yeah. Bring him in. Oh, shit.
I got him good. He's not gonna get off. Nice. Give me that boy.
I have it like.
Okay. You're gonna have to give him a different angle. Stop recording anything.
Show him off to the camera. Nice little peacock by Abby. We're gonna get some photos on him. A little double up right here with one big one. I'm gonna release this one, take a picture with that one.
You want to triple it?
Nah, so good.
Looking good.
Are you happy with everything?
Yeah, it's already recording.
Alright.
Nice.
Fuck.
Nice peacock right here. Huge little lump right here. Let's get a release on him. Can I release him, Carlos? Yeah. Yeah, I got you.
Nice. Boy gone.
Oh my god.
Alright.
Nice one, boys.
Nice one.
How do you still pull his bag?
Huh? Alright, let me see if I can double up. Go first.
I don't even know if I'm on. I'm on a tree, I think.
It was a nice peacock. Yeah, I guess that works. I guess that works. I hooked him. Good. Oh, wait.
You gotta go. Listen. Nice.
Do you have some pictures? This one's, I think this is my best look today.
Dig it high slowly.
Let's go. Yeah, I am. Let's go, Abby.
Ow. Yeah, give me fucking bass stuff for sure.
Let's go, Abby.
A little dink. A little dink.
Yeah. Carlos is on one. I'm gonna see if I can get one.
Where, guys? Where do I pass?
Class right where Carlito's fish is coming out of. There's always one right behind it. That's a good one, Carlito. That's a good one.
Oh crap, this is a good one. Abby. Nice, thank you, Carlos.
Here. I'm gonna go with you. Okay. Don't drop him. Hold it tight. Hook.
No! Well, we got him on your thing, so. But I was holding him with my whole arm. Alright guys, so I'm editing the video. It's not the best video. I just needed to post something because I haven't posted in a long time. But I might like fish with some of my friends tomorrow. So I might post another one. But that one's definitely going to be better though. Just if I post. So I'll see you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. And I might post on Monday. So I'll see you guys there.